If you're looking for an internal door that strikes a balance between affordability and performance, a semi-solid construction door is the solution. They are lighter and easier to install than solid doors and provide more insulation than hollow core doors. Insulation in internal doors is important for helping maintain a consistent temperature across different rooms. This means a more comfortable home and potentially lower energy bills, a win-win all round. Our semi-solid Kingston doors are made from composite materials and an MDF skin available in solid and glazed design. Incorporating glass panels in your internal doors combines the benefits of moderate sound insulation and durability with the beautiful aesthetic and natural light advantages of glass. You can paint your doors to blend seamlessly with your home's interior design or make a statement, whether with a clean white or a splash of colour. The Kingston range includes multiple trendy designs, from traditional to contemporary. So whatever style you're after, we have a semi-solid door that's perfect for your home. Choose from single, double or larger size hinged or folding doors in various colours and designs. You'll be spoilt for choice. Best of all, we can fit, paint and deliver, so you don't have to lift a finger. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to browse our range of internal semi-solid doors and book your free measure and quote. Doors Plus, no fuss.